So, ladies and gentlemen, in these opportunities, I will give you a certain rebuttal for a government side of the house. Government said that it is justified to back in time when you are still in a young adult age, because we will already know of how the two approach to the same problem of, and is it justified to do that because we already faced it before, and our side will clearly say no, because think about young adult is irrational person, right? So it have a unstable emotion, still searching for its identity, and it's not matured yet. When you are back in time in this age, you are still mentally and emotionally unstable, are still same as you are an young age, right? It is cannot be justified, because when you are back in time with this kind of problem, you in the end of the day you will have a list a development of your character, because you are still irrational in your in your in your time when you are back in time, because the because when you are touched, you are not experiencing enough in your life, so it is unlikely to become more to fix this kind of problems. So even if even if it will work, and in the end of the day, even if it will work, in the end of the day you will become a young adult again, right? So it will be a temporary mechanism, so it will become a waste of opportunity. So I will explain you why the time of use is really important in this case. And the next rebuttal is about the coping mechanism of the government side mentioned about the but like when you are minority, you get operation from the externals and operation from the other people. So you have a reason why you discrimination, why this discrimination came in this first place, and our side will clearly say that it is not exclusive, because in the end of the day your life will become a dynamic, right? So the thing about a dynamic life is there is always thing that make you happy, there is always thing that make you sad, there is always thing that make you stronger in its first place. So with this kind of characteristic of dynamic life, you will have a mechanism to approach those kind of problem. So moving on to my status quo, the status quo is not enough, because when the world have a button where you can back in time with your full knowledge of your previous life, is people will have a right to do it. They have a fully conscience to push that problem, right? And doing things he will doing his things like in their own timeline, right? Moreover, when it comes to using this button, is a young adult people who are still have an unbalanced way of thinking, and unstable and emotionally irrational, and all the people will use this as the same opportunities of these people for their own goods, right? And it will leads to a certain problem. And our side mean in about a problem, as a young adult, when you still have a moody thing and mentally unstable, you will oftenly make a mistake in your life, right? So, and then you back in time, you become a self-centered person, because the in its first place you become you push that button with a irrational thought that for example, like you fail for your test, or you fail in your competition, so you get depression and regretting all your what you are doing in the preparation of the before, right? So you push that button to fix that kind of problem. So it is a irrational way of approach of the young adult mechanism, right? So that is really a problem in our side. So you become a self-centered people that care about your own goods, right? Your own timeline. So that's a really our problem in our side means, and our goal here is to countering this kind of problems. Our goals here are make a people who have a way to back in their time will wisely use the button in the right time, that they have still have a full consciousness, full experiences, and a full knowledge of it from from yourself, and ready to face it from the start, and it leads to you have a stable emotion way of approaching to the future problems. So it will leads to the happiness from your surrounding, because when you are wise enough to countering this problem, and when you are back in time, you can fix that with a wisely, and your mistake with wisely for that, and fix that with the better way of approach, right? And our mechanism is using the button in the right time when we experience it enough and smart enough, and doesn't have unstable emotion as a young adult anymore. And our stance here as an opposition of the house, when becoming a young adult, we will not using this button and countering this problem. So our POP is, why is it cannot be justified when you push the button in a young age, and the second, why this button should push it in the right time, and why is it will bring more good than harm. And all people have their own rational, right? So they have a condition for each irrational thing. Like when you push that button, you become fail for your competition, like I mentioned prior, because of the operation for the external, or because of the minority that suffer in a whole time, right? You get an big operation in the future, like in your current state, for example, like are this thing are by clicking this button, or make the people will become rational, or why these people why this button can make this can make people out of their suffer, like, and will achieve their maximum happiness when you pushing this kind of button, and are the decisions come with the operation from the externals. And think about the choices is when you choose push that button, the choices is valid enough, because it is not based on the insecurity or afraid or etc. So it will clearly explain it, why is it the choices is valid in its first place. Like the cycle of life is like, you are not always feel like you cannot demand that you always be happy. You can also set in your life being frustrated and being depressed when you cannot keep up with those things. And the moment you run away by clicking this button, it will not exclusive, because in the end of the day, your life will become a dynamic, always thing that make you happy and set stronger in your life, even if that you already have the value. But the problem is not about how this value can be understanding by you, but how this value can use for you as the problem solving in your life. Like even the knowledge about the life will not really help you in terms of survivability itself when you come to young adult approaching this kind of problem. Even the knowledge about the life will not really help you in survivability, because when you already know the value, but in the end of the day you will give up on conditions, it will useless anyway, because there is also so many people that very genius, for example, it will they goes to against you and then make a competition each other against you. But there is always thing that cannot be controlled, like the desire from yourself. Like in the end, you always want to be the best, become more successful, become more happy, and you will have a lesser compromise with the failure, which is when it comes to you will likely to do suicide, for example, because when you facing the failure as a before, you will not ready, and also end up that not have many development in your life. So in this person, why is it cannot be justified? That's all from me. Thank you.